Today, we're creating a rotating text animation, a great way to add dynamic motion to your titles, intros, or logos. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut Mobile and start a new project. Tap Text, then select Add Text and type in your desired title or message. Position the text wherever you want it on the screen. Now, tap on the text layer and scroll through the bottom toolbar to find Animation. Once you're in, go to the Loop tab and scroll until you find Rotate. Tap on it to apply the animation. Your text will now continuously spin in a loop. Super simple and very effective. To adjust the rotation speed, tap on the animation again and you'll see a speed slider. Slide to the left for a faster, energetic effect. Slide to the right for a slower, smoother spin. And that's it. You've created a clean rotating text animation that works perfectly for motion graphics and modern edits. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick CapCut mobile tutorials.